down. Locate the 4 body clips at the top of the trunk and remove them. Next, pull back the headliner and remove the 3 screws that are holding in the brake light. Then, remove the wiring to the brake light. By pulling the light towards you, the light can now be easily taken out. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found value in this video, please give it a like and subscribe. Thanks a lot and take care.